What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So I have my 2020 Road Glide right there, and interesting video today. I am at Always Clean Tints, Vinyl, and I don't know what PPF stands for, but basically what they do is obviously tints, wraps on cars, and they do the ceramic coating. So that's what I'm doing here today. I'm getting my 2020 Road Glide ceramic coated. I hope it comes out awesome. I've seen all their stuff. They have a lot of cars over here for rent. They have the M4, they have an Audi R8 inside. They have the Jaguar, which is right there. They have a whole bunch of vehicles, really cool cars, exotic cars that you could rent. But I'm here today to get the bike ceramic coated. Because it is black, I don't want any swirl marks on it, and I'm gonna have it probably for quite some time. So let's go inside and check out the shop, and stay tuned. Hey guys, do me a favor, don't forget to click that subscribe button and click that bell so you get notified of all upcoming new videos. Felix, the owner, say hi.
Hey.
So they're doing tints on a Subaru. Got the tint machine right there. Have the Audi R8. What are you doing to the R8?
The R8 is our rental.
No, I know, but I thought you were wrapping it or something.
No. We're using this as a tape for now.
Nice.
We wrapped.
I seen you got the M4.
Yes, I got that two weeks ago. That's a fun one.
That's nice.
I enjoy that one. So that's a full body wrap, which we finished today, and then
wow.
That's another full body wrap.
Nice.
So that's gonna take a week to complete.
Cool. So you just did the wrap on.
We just finished on this one.
Tesla.
Now we're doing chrome delete. You can see some are black, the rest are chrome. We're gonna finish that up.
Might have to rent this for a day.
Dude, it's definitely an adventure. It really is. It's definitely fun. At least a one-time experience, you know. You just pick this
What color was it?
Huh?
What color was it?
No, it's originally black. You can see the door jam.
So you just did like a matte?
But paint protection film matte.
Oh, gotcha.
So it's the one that you can scratch resistant or it'll heal itself.
Nice.
And made for rock chips. So they definitely want to stand
Can
out.
you take it off like when you don't want it? You can.
You can take it off anytime you like.
Gotcha.
Yeah. This one's a lease.
Oh,
Wait, not a lease. Yeah.
Yeah, but if you have this much money, it don't matter.
I know, whatever.
What's up, bud? All right, so you heard Felix, the owner there. The bike is going to be ready probably by tomorrow, but it's going to be raining here in Jersey again. So I will pick it up probably Thursday or Friday. We'll see when it's not raining. But stay tuned, guys. They do really nice work. If you guys want to check it out, they're here in Fair Lawn, New Jersey on Banta Place. Always Clean. Talk to Felix. He'll take care of you guys. process? Like how's the process? Like what do
So
you
we
guys
definitely do a thorough wash first, then we clay the vehicle, the panel, and after claying we add a little something called Iron X, removes the iron off any metal particles on the paint surface, and then after that we dry it and we do a light polish. After doing light polish, we remove about 70% of the swirls that were on it.
Right.
Then we actually put a primer on it to make sure the Opticoat sticks very well to the paint surface.
And so what is that Optico? Like what is that, the ceramic?
It's a ceramic coating.
Right.
It's a much harder surface than Harley Davidson's paint clear coat. So it's more resistant to scratching, repels better, it smooths out the surface, and it gives that gloss, that additional gloss to it.
Gotcha. Looks fantastic, man.
It's gonna stay lifetime on the bike. It has a 5-year warranty, but it stays on the lifetime.
Oh, really?
It's gonna stay looking like this as long as you detail maybe once or twice a year.
Well, you guys will do it.
Yeah, you let us know. We're right here. So
yeah,
we'd love to help you out on that.
It looks absolutely amazing.
It's beautiful.
Yeah, I mean everything, the engine, everything. Wow. Wow.
Everything just pops a little bit more.
Yeah. And the dust and stuff won't stick to it as easy.
It doesn't stick as much, yeah.
Right,
so the first, it's going to cure for the next 30 days. It's going to get even shinier than this.
Oh, really? So I can still wash it?
You can still wash it. I'm going to show you some options how to wash it and wash it.
Right.
The best way.
Wow.
And you can wash this bike in probably 10 minutes, honestly, with 1 gallon of water.
Wow.
It's pretty good. Do it right in your garage.
Yeah.
It's amazing. And we actually, for the bike, we actually did a leather coating as well.
Oh, cool.
So it shouldn't crack, from UV. It has UV protection, and it's much easier to clean any dirt on it.
Well, it looks amazing, man. Great job.
Ah, thank you. Thank you for the opportunity. It's a great bike, man. Great looking bike. This vehicle that you're about to see is a 2020 Model S performance model, average about 120,000.
$120,000?
It is 60 in 2.3 seconds.
Wow. Oh, so is this the fastest?
This is the fastest, Tesla
wow.
right now. The quickest right now. Wow. What he did is a paint protection film, but matted out. You can see this is the original paint.
Oh, yeah.
And this is the matted out, so we got to finish this area.
Yeah, you can see the line.
Yep, exactly.
Right
So
there.
we're going to be finishing that up. But if you walk around the whole car, we did it all over, and we didn't finish yet, but we're going to be tucking it in.
Right.
So this is like a special cut.
So this is a wrap.
This is a wrap, a paint protection film for rock chips.
Right.
So, going on the highway lot, you're going to get rock chips. This is going to help prevent it.
Oh, wow. Big ass wheels, brakes.
Yeah, these are
wow.
21s, I believe. Yeah, these are 21s.
So what model is this?
This is a Model S.
Model S.
Yeah, the sedan.
Does it have that ludicrous mode? Or something?
This is the one.
Oh, wow.
This is the 0-60 2.3 seconds.
0 to 60, 2.3.
Yeah. Fast Ferrari Lamborghini. 60% tints right in the front and on the sides. It's a heat rejection film called 3M Crystalline.
White interior. Wow.
White
that's
interior.
Nice. That's
We're
actually
going to do
really
Opticoat on the interior as well. It's an $800 package. We take care of the suede.
So this is what you're doing is $10,000.
Yes,
right here.
exactly.
Wow,
Worth
nice.
this work. About 1 week to do. We're gonna do chrome delete. We're gonna remove these chromes and wrap it with a vinyl wrap with satin black. And there's tints in the back here.
You guys are doing a lot of Teslas.
Yeah,
Wow.
yeah, we get a lot of referrals. We get a lot of people from, because we've been doing Teslas for over 4 or 5 years now.
Did you take off the emblems?
Yeah, we did.
Oh, you did.
And we're going to be
Gotcha.
putting it back with carbon fiber emblems.
Oh, nice.
Yes,
Nice.
so we took it off. There's a spoiler here that we took off because we want to do it in one piece.
Right, nice.
If we had a spoiler, we had to do a cut
Cut it,
and we
right.
decided we'd rather take that off, do it in one
right,
piece, then put the spoiler back to have a seamless cut.
Nice.
Seamless install.
I
So
see,
you can
that's-
see
that's-
here is
yeah,
a
that's the
chrome delete
chrome
on this
delete,
side.
right.
You can see originally was chrome on the other side. We are now deleting it
Right.
to give it more sporty, aggressive look.
That's awesome, man.
So, but yeah, 0-60 in 2.3 seconds.
That's retarded. That is crazy.
For 120 grand versus what, Ferrari or Bugatti?
Nothing could touch-
1 to
right.
3 mil.
Well,
it's really
after like probably 80 miles an hour, I see on YouTube they start catching up. But
So yeah, when it hits around 100 to 110
yeah,
miles per hour,
yeah.
the rest of the cars do catch up.
Yeah, but who's gonna race?
But who's
yeah,
racing
right,
at 120? You're probably doing
0 to 60, you're slammed in the back
You're
of the
done.
seat.
You're done. Yeah, you can't catch up. The traction on these are ridiculous.
Yeah, 4-wheel, right?
Four-wheel, all-wheel drive.
Right,
Yeah, traction's right away. So the new Roadster that are coming out is going to have boosters in the back. air compressors. It's called a SpaceX option.
Okay.
For the roaster. The roasters are about 200 to 250 grand.
And how fast?
The 250, that's 0 to 60 in 1.9 seconds.
Are you kidding me?
1.9.
1.9 seconds.
It's too hard. Your tires can only have so much traction.
Right.
So they use air compressors to push the back to launch it forward.
That's crazy.
To build up that momentum faster.
Unbelievable.
And then to brake faster, they put air compressors in the front to blow air in the front so it slows down faster.
Wow.
So it's gonna not only launch faster than any other car, probably gonna brake faster and turn better too.
Amazing, man. Amazing work here.
No, thank you. Thank you.
Bike looks beautiful. Look at all that chrome, everything. You guys hit the chrome, everything, right?
Yeah, exactly. Chrome polish.
Do you see, like, after a while, does it peel anything or
Nothing
no?
peels.
Nothing.
Nothing peels. And actually, if you have like a hose,
Right.
you can see the water speeding.
Oh, gotcha.
Which is nice.
Right.
You never have to wax this.
Never.
Never wax.
Never.
You could if you want.
Yeah,
you
but no
never have
point.
to,
Right.
Because it's ceramic coating. The only way to remove this is abrasion.
Oh,
like a
gotcha.
compound or wet sanding.
Gotcha.
From degreasing, all-purpose cleaners can't strip this. There's just no way.
So,
Wax
how would you
strips.
recommend to wash it?
Oh, hand wash. I have a product called
Hose it down first, obviously, right?
Then use a solution called Opti No Rinse that we use. That's part of this company.
Right.
And you do this in 10 minutes or less.
Wow.
It's
And then
very
just
simple.
air dry it?
Oh, you could you could air dry after, but come with a towel with a detail spray to wipe down any leftover.
Gotcha.
Yeah.
Beautiful, man. All right, guys, so I just stopped really quick so I could do a thorough walk around for you guys. It's really cold. I'm gonna head back home. But yeah, check him out, Felix, Always Clean, Bantha Place, Fair Lawn, New Jersey. I'll leave a link down below in the description with the business name, phone number, address, all of that, so you guys can check him out. Tell him I sent you over there. And here's the bike. Another 20-degree day here in North Jersey. So anyway, I hope you guys liked the video. Again, I'm gonna have all the links down below in the description. I'm heading back home now, and do me a favor, don't forget to click the subscribe button, click that bell on top so you get notified of all upcoming new videos, and stay tuned. I got a lot more in store for you guys. Take care.